here in San Diego today. You can see I have my life jacket on. Comments do not go in red. I have it on today. Once I exit this little section, I'm gonna go ahead and raise the mainsail and unfurl the jib. To take the cover off the main. No, I'm gonna pull it up in a second once I have this one under control. Okay, at this point I'm going to turn off the engine. Just gonna pull it in a little tighter if I can. Might actually just sail with the jib just to play it safe. We seem to be doing pretty good speed. If I need the speed, then I'll go ahead and raise the mainsail. Well, they're not exactly beginners. They know what they're doing. If they have small boats, maybe 10 feet in length, and small sails, but it looks like they're having a ton of fun out there. We're sailing close-hauled. The wind is slightly off the bow. We'll have to tack out of the channel. The engine was running in case I needed to get out of a situation, but at this point we've made it into open water. I turned off the engine and we're going to be sailing around. I'm going to pull out the fishing pole in a second and maybe do some fishing. Yeah, I'm not sure what they're doing. I don't know if they're part of a team. That right there would be Chula Vista, I believe. Potentially Mexican border over there. And there's an island up here. And further down that way is Catalina Island, which is going to be the destination. That should be not Point Loma, but oh, it is Point Loma. It turns into a different city afterwards. Nonetheless, yeah, that should be Point Loma. There's a lighthouse there, which is cool. I'm gonna throw this iron, see what happens. Hopefully you guys can see the dolphin. A pod of 50 dolphins. I think I'm close enough to catch them. I'm hoping that I can get a close-up for you guys. I always enjoy seeing dolphins. Very cool. Oh, they're right here. Oh, there you go. Cool, very cool. Oh, he's swimming right next to us. Oh, they're coming straight at us. There you go. Come on, jump right here, right here. There you go. It looks like Catalina is very far from here. If I had to guess, it would be a 10-hour sail. Mostly upwind. This is the wind is coming in from the north, so it's a north wind, making it very difficult to sail up it. You'd have to tack. You'd have to beat up wind, slowing you down considerably. So slightly disheartening. Aside from that, dolphins have been nice. It's always nice to see dolphins. The sailing has been good. Once we struggled through the channel, and the dolphins are here. There's several pods of them. I don't know if they're migrating north for cooler waters, maybe now that the summer's coming. Let me show you guys. Oh, that's a pretty good shot. There's some right behind us. When the waters get warmer, which they will be, we just oh, cool, we just entered spring here in California. Actually, is it another week? So spring is gonna be in another week. Oh, look, it's right next to us. I admit that dolphins are one of my favorite animals. Oh, whoa. Look at them. They're trying to impress us. I'm already impressed, fellas.